Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Discord bot automation with OpenAI for moderation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Discord bot automation with OpenAI for moderation, start by creating a new Discord application. Visit the Discord developer portal and log in with your account. Click on the New Application button to begin. Name your application and click Create. In the Application settings, navigate to the Bot tab on the left side. Click that Add Bot button to create a bot user. Once the bot is created, take note of the token provided. This token is important and should remain private. Next, go to the OAuth 2 tab in your application settings. Under Scopes, select Bot to set permissions for your bot. Scroll down to Bot Permissions and select permissions like Send Messages, Manage Messages, and Read Message History. Copy the generated URL at the bottom of the page. Open this URL in a new browser tab to invite your bot to your Discord server. Choose the server you want to add the bot to and complete the authorization process. Now that your bot is in the server, set up a development environment for your bot's code. You can choose a programming language, but Java. Make sure Node.js is installed on your machine. Create a new directory for your bot and open a terminal in that directory. Run the command npm init to initialize a new Node.js project. Next, install the Discord.js library by running npm install discord.js. You will also need to install the OpenAI library, so run npm install OpenAI. Create a new file named bot.js in your project directory. In bot.js, import the required libraries at the top of the file. You will need to include const, client, gateway intent bits equals require, discord.js, for Discord and initialize the client. Next, initialize the OpenAI client, using the token from your OpenAI API dashboard. Create an event listener for when your bot is ready and log a message to the console. Add another event listener for incoming messages to handle moderation. Inside the message event, create a function to call the OpenAI API with the incoming message text. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.